Flutter Money Manager. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your terminal. Type Flutter Doctor to check the completeness of your Flutter data. This command helps ensure that Flutter and its dependencies are properly installed on your system. Then create a new project by typing Flutter create money_manager. Then type cd_first_app to enter the project directory so you can begin working inside the newly created app. Then type code to open the project folder in Visual Studio Code, which will allow you to access and edit your Flutter files. Open the folder named lib, which contains the main code for your Flutter app. Then, open the file named main.dart to access the coding center of the project. Enter the following program to enter the nominal, save the nominal, and display the balance in your web application. For the script, you can copy it from the pinned comment below. Reopen the terminal and enter the following command to begin testing. Type Flutter run to run the program and launch the app in a connected device or emulator. Then type as needed for further interaction. Your money manager is already running,